In my previous life, I was in the automotive industry where we use CRM technology to manage relationships with our customers. And I had people in SC Launch who listened to my story, they believed in it, and they said, I believe that a business process in automotive could be applicable to healthcare. Having SC Launch's credibility, my core team, that allowed me to land those initial accounts. And so we started the process of creating the company. I spent 2 years in Starbucks working to pull all the pieces together, and as a result of that, they introduced me to Nick Glover, who was one of the original founders of WebMD.
If it wasn't for SCRA and SC Launch, we wouldn't be sitting here today. They provided our initial funding. They helped us find some of the people we have.
We have 2 major healthcare systems in South Carolina, Roper St. Francis here in Charleston and Medical Group of the Carolinas up in Spartanburg.
What PEC360 does is allow us to work what we call disease management deficiencies. We have a diabetic patient in the practice who hasn't had a hemoglobin A1C test in the last 6 months. That's something they need. PEC looks at the health record, determines that has not occurred, proactively calls that patient, and in a very personal manner says, we're calling from Dr. X's office. He realized you haven't had your hemoglobin A1C test. We need to get that scheduled for you.
And so we schedule for every 100 physicians roughly 50,000 appointments a year. They have been great references for us to move to Ohio, Florida. Our goal is to be in every state in the Southeast. Once we have that footprint in place, we will then have the revenues to scale nationally, which is our goal in the next 5 years.
The last company I was involved with, we took it from about $10 million to where it was worth almost $1 billion, $750 million. And believe it or not, this little thing here sitting here has the potential to be $1 billion business.
And we've been profitable since 6 months after we got our initial funding from SC Launch. Our goal is to get to a valuation of $1 billion, but we are very focused on SC Launch's mission, which is to bring jobs to the state of South Carolina. We tell our employees every single day, you are saving lives. That is just so much more rewarding than selling cars.